C drive full showing red issue in Windows 11. So if your C drive is actually about to be full, this is the most important actually disk or the partition of your Windows because most of the files are automatically stored to C drive. So you always want to make sure that your C drive actually has a lot and plenty of storage than the other partitions, and you can divide the rest to others. Now you can actually free this up by clearing unnecessary files. Now anything that you see over here like downloads, documents, pictures, music, everything is actually inside your C drive, right? So there are the shortcuts from your C drive. So just delete any unnecessary downloads and everything else. Other way to clean this up is by simply opening up your search bar, then going to disk cleanup. Then once you go to disk cleanup, you can simply open it up. We want to select C drive and then click on OK. And once we've done it, it will calculate the storage that it is going to free up. Then here you can check everything: temporary files, shader, optimization files, including recycle bin, temporary files, and you can see it is amounting to about 15 GB. Yours could be different than mine. Then you can click on OK button and click on delete option. Now you might have installed lots of apps throughout the process of using a laptop. So all of those might have been installed to C drive. So the thing I recommend here is that you uninstall those apps and reinstall them to some other drive like the D drive or E drive if you have separated them into multiple partitions. So uninstall any sort of app that you have inside of your C drive here, which could be on the program files or anywhere, and then you can just try to restore them to the other ones. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.